Summer in April. Really enjoy it. It is a little early to be this warm, and we are going to see a little bit of payback, but not until after the weekend. 13 weather ball tonight remains green. No change to the 80-plus temperatures foreseen, but more clouds and a threat of a shower, though, tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Will drop from right around 82 to around 60 tonight, light and variable winds. But you can see we're going to become mostly cloudy, and tomorrow will be partly sunny to mostly cloudy. Temperatures again up close to where we are today, up close to record highs, maybe not quite. Got a cold front approaching, but that's not what we'll see here tomorrow or Sunday. We got some moisture finally coming in off the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. Dew points are rising, clouds are increasing, so is our threat of some showers. That will be during the afternoon tomorrow. You can see the clouds increasing overnight. All those showers down to the south are driven by the heat of the day. But as we go through the afternoon tomorrow, we might see a couple of showers pop up late afternoon, early evening, and then a few more coming in overnight Saturday night. Just a few, not a lot. Most of the showers will be during the day on Sunday. And then Sunday night, we'll get a brief break before the cold air comes in. And so we have rain changing to snow on Monday, and it will be very chilly Monday and on Tuesday, despite the sun coming out later in the day. Rainfall, this is starting Saturday night through early on Tuesday, I should say. About 3/4 to an inch of rain will fall, and some of that will be in the form of some melted snow. And this area right in through here, it looks like rain, but that's actually snow from up around Houghton over toward western Wisconsin. There could be a good 4-6 inch plus snowfall in that area. We might see a little bit of wet snow here, and all of that would be during the day on Monday. Temperature wise, up close to where we were today, up around 80, and then only around 70 on Sunday. We'll still take that since the average highs are in the upper 50s. We're going to drop from 80 to 70 to 40 by Monday, and we'll only be in the 40s on Tuesday. Looking farther ahead, the long-range outlook from the 20th through the 24th, some of that cool air just kind of filtering on in. We have a higher chance of that happening here. And as far as precipitation, we have a little bit higher chance now for more during that 5-day period. Tonight, though, skies will become increasingly cloudy. Low and mid 50s, not a bad night. Winds will be virtually calm. Up north, light and variable winds, more southerly towards daybreak. Low and mid 50s here, and here in the greater Grand Rapids zone, we'll see an increase to our cloud cover. Overnight lows in the mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Looking at 40 degrees on Monday, 46 Tuesday, and then upper 50s with overnight showers Wednesday. The showers will continue Thursday and Friday now with low 60s. That may linger into Saturday as an upper level low sits overhead. And by next week early, we'll be back up to our average high in the mid and upper 50s. Another record-breaking day here in West Michigan with very warm temperatures. What's ahead for your Saturday? Well, continued warm. 13 weather ball is green. No change there foreseen. We'll see more cloud cover and higher humidity. 13 weather ball is brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Introducing Skelly. Yeah, you're in the car. You don't keep pets in the car at this time of year. Juan, though, take him out for a nice walk. 82 down to 69 with a green paw this evening, and a little more comfortable in the morning, right around 60 again. Skies are going to become mostly cloudy, so not as much sunshine here tomorrow, but not an overcast day, just mostly cloudy. 6.3 out of a 10-point scale to generate green electricity from the sun, and the wind, just like today, light and variable still. There's going to be an elevated fire danger until we get enough rain around here, and that will be during the day on Sunday. Grand Rapids, our observed high, I think, has been up to 83, so we set a record here, and also records in Muskegon, Holland, and Kalamazoo. Some of those set back in 1941. Now tomorrow, not quite as warm, so I don't think we're going to get to record levels. We'll be in the mid and upper 70s to around 80 degrees on Saturday. We do have an approaching cold front that won't come through until late in the day on Sunday. So we will see temperatures almost as warm here tomorrow despite some clouds, but the clouds are going to be increasing. And then that cold front will go through on Sunday. That will drop our temperature from 70 with showers to around 40 on Monday. Here come the clouds overnight. These are high clouds. Back to the west, we got that cold front approaching, but our showers will be hit and miss in the afternoon. You can see a couple of them popping up here and then there'll be a little bit of a break tomorrow night. More rain coming in, though, on Sunday, and that could put down quite a bit, anywhere from 3/4 to an inch of rain. Then we'll get a little bit of a break, but here comes the rain and snow for Monday. Yes, some snow. We do get snow on this date. I think it was 2019. We had like 4 inches of snow. Then skies do clear out during the day on Tuesday. Here's your rain, anywhere from 3/4 up to an inch, with a lot of snow back to our west. Portions of the UP from Ironwood down to La Crosse could see a foot or two of snow. Ours will all melt. 80 here during the day tomorrow. We'll be around 70, and you can see the colder air starting to come on Sunday. Monday, look at this, highs only 40 plus in West Michigan. Farther ahead, cold air settling in. That's from April 22nd through the 28th. And during that 7-day period, equal chance for more or less precipitation. Tonight, though, skies will become mostly cloudy. Mild night, low in mid-50s. Up north, you'll drop into the mid-50s as increasing clouds kick in. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, similar conditions, overnight lows in the mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. From 80 to 70 to 40 in 3 days. Wow, what a shock. 46 and mostly cloudy, breezy on Tuesday. Back up to 59, though, on Wednesday. Should be dry both Tuesday and Wednesday. Rain starting Wednesday night through next Friday, but at least we'll be a little bit closer to our average highs. We've gone from sunny to cloudy for the following weekend as a big upper level low sits overhead. I think it may be in the following Monday before we see sunshine return. Another great day for summer in April here in West Michigan today. We're going to continue with our summer-like weather for at least another day or two. 13 weather ball is green. No change to that kind of weather pattern foreseen until Monday. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Amazingly warm. Again, our warmest day of the year so far as we hit 83 in Grand Rapids. You can see our record high is 80. We eclipsed that here today. We did forecast 81, so again, came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. Hope to continue that on target streak again tomorrow. And the air quality has climbed up into the unsafe for sensitive groups, and that may continue into tomorrow as well, just depending on how much wind we get. Not expecting a lot of wind. Not a lot of cloud cover out there right now, but there are clouds gathering down in Indiana and Ohio, and that's eventually going to get here. But the showers are going to wait until the afternoon in this cold front on Sunday. Hour by hour, you can see the skies will become mostly cloudy later on this evening. We'll start the day with some clouds, and we may get a few breaks from now and then. But in the late afternoon, early evening, some scattered showers will pop up here and there. Could be a couple right around 11 o'clock tomorrow evening as well. And then it'll quiet down. On Sunday is when the bulk of the precipitation will move through. Rain very hard for a little while, and then it will end by late afternoon and evening, and then more moving in overnight Sunday night through Monday. Yes, that is some snow on Monday as colder temperatures roar on in. By Tuesday afternoon, though, skies will have cleared on out, but it's going to be still a very chilly day compared to what we have had. In terms of rainfall, we could see anywhere from about 2/3 to maybe over an inch of rain, all of that coming Saturday night through very late on Monday. And along the lakeshore, there could be some snow. All of this will likely melt as it falls. But again, it does snow this time of year. I think it was in 2019, we had about 4 inches of snow on this date. Looking ahead, this is toward the end of April, first 12 days of May. Looks like some of that cold air is going to stick around. And in terms of precipitation, only a couple of spots that are expecting more. That's around the Memphis area and back out here in California. For tomorrow, right now, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies, low in mid-70s. Winds will be more off the lake tomorrow. That's why you'll be a little bit cooler. Just as warm up north, low 80s or around 80, I should say. Maybe that afternoon pop-up shower, and inland there could be that afternoon pop-up shower. Highs right around 80. 13 on your side forecast. Dry weather Tuesday and Wednesday, jumping from 46 Tuesday to 59 on Wednesday. More rain now starting Wednesday night through Saturday. A little bit of a change from the forecast earlier as an upper level low parks overhead. Low in mid-60s Thursday and Friday, but dropping back into the 50s next weekend.